I'm giving you a natural girl looks, fresh out of the salon, blow dried, a light press. But check this out, I have a no leave out, no glue, no lace. This is all me. And a thin V-part wig by Jessie's Selection. Let's get into it. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm sharing this gorgeous, full, kinky straight, thin V-part wig by Jessie's Selection. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair tricks and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe and click it, subscribe and click it. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. Okay, so before we get into this wig review, I want to give a big thanks to Jessie's Selection for sponsoring this video. Thank you, Jessie's. I am so in love with this unit. It is absolutely beautiful. This is the Kinky Straight Thin V-Part Wig. Make sure you check out the description box for all the information on this wig, as well as my discount code LOVE12 for 12% off. So if you're looking for a new unit, a thin V-part unit, something that you can wear no matter what your hair texture is, you don't have to have any leave out, no glue, no tinting of the lace, no plucking lace, no bleaching the knots. So pretty much a low maintenance wig that is easy for you to put on, a wig that's great for beginners. Make sure you keep watching. So let's get into this unboxing. So the wig came in this gorgeous shopping bag that says Jessie's Selection High Life Luxury Hair, and in the shopping bag there is the box that the wig comes in. So in the box there is the wig, so a couple of free goodies. So I got a pair of lashes, as well as a pack of wig caps to a brown color, an adjustable elastic band. On the bottom of the box, it tells you how you can earn money with Jessie's Selection. So this is everything that was in the box. Everything that came with the wig, I laid it out and decided to use my merchandising degree and make it cute. So this is the wig straight out of the box. I am loving the texture of this kinky straight unit. I'm so excited to try it on. I am going to wash the hair, co-wash the hair, let it air dry, and then we will be back to put it on. Okay, lovey, so this is her. Once again, this is the thin V-part wig. It's a bob and it's in inches 12. So I'm going to put her on, but before I put her on, let's get into the construction of the wig. The thin V-part wig is similar to the U-part wig. The only difference is it doesn't have a huge weft, so you don't have to leave hair out, so no leave out. The wig comes with 4 snap and close clips along the opening of the wig, as well as it comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 on the back. It also has an adjustable strap. Okay, so now the time has come to put on this gorgeous wig. Before you put it on, you have to cut this little piece right here. Okay, so she is cut open. So I'm going to adjust the straps of my wig just so the wig can fit snug on my head. So I have my hair in 2 braids. So I'm going to pin my braids back, and then I'm going to put on the wig. So that was try number 1. Let's try this again. There's no blood. Okay, so clipping the wig onto my hair just with my hair pulled back flat was not working. I didn't like the look of the wig on my head, and I didn't like how much tension the wig was putting on my scalp and my hair. So I had to go ahead and do 2 braids along the part so that the wig would have something to anchor to. Also, so I wouldn't have so much tension on my hair or my scalp. Lovey, so I finally have the wig on. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not even gonna front. Like, it took me a couple of tries to get this wig on to my liking, to make it look natural. But we finally got it and it looks super good. Look at that parting space. This new upgrade of the vpart wig is amazing. It's very thin. So like I said before, I did co-wash the unit and I let it air dry. So this is the natural texture of the hair. This is what it looks like, just straight air dried. So I'm going to put a flat iron to the hair, bump the ends a little bit, just give it a little style. But before we get started, I'm going to go in with some heat protectant. Today I'm using the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat flat iron protection, and then I'm going to flat iron the hair and bump the ends. Okay, lovey, so I have the wig on and she is gorgeous. Are you feeling her? Are you feeling this texture, this length, this look on me? This is something absolutely different from what I would usually do or what I would usually wear. Sometimes you have to step out of the box and you will be pleasantly surprised, and I am surprised. And I'm loving this look. So pretty much what I'm giving y'all, what you're getting today, is a fresh blowout. Like, I'm a natural girl. I'm not natural. I'm relaxed, but I'm just saying, this wig, this unit is giving you, I'm natural, but I went to the salon. I got a blowout. I got a slight press, and she's here. She's ready to slay, and I am loving it. I hope you're loving it. Leave down in the comment section below if you are loving this wig on me, if you're loving this texture, because I am in love. I mean, let's really get into this part. Do y'all see this part? Let's get into it. Silence for the part. I mean, the part is everything. I have no leave out. Can you believe that? Absolutely no leave out. You know what this wig is giving me? It's giving me back when I did my video on trims. This hair is giving me that look. So if you haven't seen that video and you want to grow your hair and you want to know if you should trim your hair or not, or when to trim your hair, go ahead and check out that video. So Jessie's Selection has definitely done an upgrade to their units, to their wigs. Now with the new upgrades, honey, it's really worth it. Okay, so now the parting space, this area in here, is hand tied hairs. So that makes the hair or the unit breathable, right, as well as comfortable, because you want a comfortable unit, but it also makes it look more natural. So the parting area is very flat, which allows you to wear no leave out. Now you can wear a leave out, but you don't have to. And if you don't have to, why would you do it? But knowing me, I'm going to try it with leave out because I like some leave out, so I'm probably gonna do that. Also, the unit has a very deep parting space. It comes with 4 inches parting space, but you can go ahead and cut 2 more inches to give you 6 inches of parting space if you want. So you have up to 6 inches of parting space, and that is amazing. I love a deep part, either a deep side part, a deep middle part, but I want a deep part. It also makes the unit look natural to me, the deeper the part. You don't want a 1-inch part or a 2-inch part and it stops right here and you're just like, what happened to the rest of the part? Like, what's going on? That's a clear indication that you have on a wig and my earring has fallen. Because if you saw my previous video, I was doing a review on Jessie's Selection as well, but that was on their thin U-part wig, and the texture was kinky curly. With that unit, at the base of the part, there was a weft. So it was kind of bulky. I mean, you could still wear it without a leave out and it still laid pretty flat, but it was more bulkier than this one. This one is ultra sleek, ultra flat. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check out that video. Anyways, you need to check it out because you need to see the texture of that hair. That kinky curly texture is amazing, and I know you'll love it. Okay, so with all that being said, I know you want to know about length. I know you want to know about the density, the price. Is it worth it? If you aren't new to my channel, you know that I always wash my wigs before I put them on my head. I always co-wash my units with a conditioner. Tresemme is my conditioner of choice, and I let it air dry and then I apply it to my hair. For hygiene purposes, you just want to make sure whatever you put on your body is clean. So I would definitely recommend that. But as I was co-washing, I was brushing out the unit, I did notice that the wig did shed. It didn't have a lot of shedding, but I was just surprised because this is a kinky straight texture and I thought it would be less shedding than it had. It wasn't a lot of shedding, it wasn't a big deal, but the wig did shed more than I thought it would. So once again, this is the kinky straight thin V-part wig by Jessie's Selection. So the texture is kinky straight, which I am in love with any type of kinky texture. I love it just because it gives such a natural appearance. For the most part, you would think this is my hair, especially if I do some leave out. You'll be like, is that her hair? I'm not sure. And that's always the goal for me. I love to have my units look natural. I want to keep the girls guessing. Okay, if you feel me, give me a thumbs up. I want to keep the girls, everybody guessing, honestly. So a good kinky texture gives you that natural appearance, that natural look you want. This hair is very soft. It's very super soft. It has a natural shine to it as well. I have no complaints. It feels like a pillow. It's so soft and it's so full. She's giving you natural vibes. So with the length, this is 12 inches long, and I actually love the length. When I say I'm shocked, because you know I like my hair long. I like my hair extremely long. I want it touching like all the way down to my back, almost touching you know where. But I am in love with this 12-inch unit. She's giving very mature boss vibes, girl boss, giving a little sexy housewife. I'm here for it. I welcome it, okay? So the 12 inches are giving a slightly longer bob feel. So I believe this is a great length bob for everyone. Doesn't matter. It gives you that good happy medium. It's not too short, it's not too long. It's a good length bob. The density is 180%. So 180%, 12 inches. This is very thick, full hair. The shorter the hair, the thicker it's gonna be, and then it's 180 density, so it's very thick. And I love a good thick unit. This is exactly what I want my real hair to be. This density, this fullness, fabulous. I mean, in love. Smell is a quick segment in my videos. I always talk about smell, and I always say the same thing. All units, all clip-ins, weaves, whatever, they all come with a similar smell. If you know the smell, you know what I'm talking about. It has that smell. It's not horrible, but there is a smell. If you want to get rid of it, just go ahead and co-wash your hair with some conditioner, let it air dry, and you should be good to go. Okay, so what you've been waiting for is price. Sharon, how much does this unit cost? So this Kinky Straight Thin V-Part Wig by Jessie Selection is, drum roll please, I gotta look because I don't even know. I gotta look on my phone. It's $139. Okay, so I was off a little bit. So it's $139.99. Okay, so pretty much $140 for this same exact unit. Is it worth it? Yes, it is definitely worth it for all the reasons that I told you before. If you are concerned with blending your leave out to match your unit, if that's something you don't want to do, this is a great unit for you. This unit is also great for protective styles because once again, your hair is protected underneath the unit. You could just braid down your hair and throw on the unit and you're good to go. So once again, I am in love with this wig. I am living. I adore it. I absolutely adore. If you know what movie that comes from, let me know in the comment section down below. But I absolutely adore this wig. So once again, I want to say thank you to Jessie Selection for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check out the description box for all the information on this wig, as well as my discount code LOVE12 for 12% off. Comment down below and let me know if you have any questions about this beautiful thin V-Part wig by Jessie Selection. Also, I want to know, do you love this unit on me? Are you loving this length, this texture? And also, do you own a thin U-part wig or a thin V-part wig? Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends. Thanks, lovies, and I'll see you in the next one.